Needs Analysis When Designing Instruction by Ashley Mowry. The pros and cons of a needs analysis. So why is a needs analysis in the best interest of the instructional designer and the company? It is because it tells us the learner capacity, environmental influencers, cultural factors, data gathering and triangulation, interviews, surveys, observation, groups, individuals, specific roles, education, experience, training, knowledge, skills, and attitudes. These are all necessary factors so that the instructional designer can identify all these things that the employees obtain. Knowing this information allows the correct learning suggestions to be made for the best interest of the employees and the overall company's success. So the cons of no analysis being applied is it is time-consuming, costly, low response rate, scheduling issues. Employees also may feel uncomfortable and may fear showing the areas where they lack the skill. So, what is the outcome expected from a needs analysis? The goals expected from a needs analysis are identifying multiple sources and triangular data, examines external and internal influences on performance, discovers the gaps and uses them to explore the drivers, determines if training is the solution or only part of the solution, collaborates and builds networks within the organization, and it helps the overall correct analysis of the employees' and company's needs in order to improve and move forward. The ADDIE model and how it will be used for the correct effectiveness. First off, the analysis phase. This helps us to understand the audience, which are the employees, and characteristics which of course vary from subject to subject. This step allows us to determine what training design is going to be the most effective and produce the best results. Next, the design phase. This phase designs the documentation of the best instructional strategy that will be taken, cognitive, affective, and psychometer. Storyboards will be created along with the prototype. Outcomes will be predicted to achieve the behavior that the training wishes to accomplish. Next, the development phase. This is the phase where the content is designed. Testers will be made to make sure that the content being used is effective and feedback is given in order to perfect the design as much as possible. For example, surveys, interviews, group interviews, and tests will be used to gather the feedback needed. The next one is implementation phase. New tools and methods are implemented in this stage. This is where the training context, learning outcomes, testing, and how the training will be delivered is created. Lastly, the evaluation stage. This is the last step that evaluates all feedback, tests, and effectiveness. Formative evaluation is completed in each step of the ADDIE model. The summative evaluation is where all feedback is given. This is when we see whether the training program is effective or if it will be changed in order to better serve the company and the employees. Thank you for listening to my presentation. Have a nice day.